We're up on the Atherton Tablelands today. So we just pull up to Elinjaa Falls and this little fella here came up to greet us. Maybe it doesn't look like it's raining, it's actually pissing down. Anyway, here we go. G'day, I'm Diesel from Getting Around Oz, Camper Trailer Travelling, and welcome to another episode. We're up on the Atherton Tablelands today. There's a rare moment where it's not raining at the moment. Unfortunately, today hasn't gone to plan so far. It was a nice drive up until obviously the drive from Gordonvale up through the hills there is amazing. If you love the drive like me, you will love it driving through the hills there. But unfortunately, the sun was pretty short-lived, and it just started bucketing down from there, and it's bucketed down all day right up until this very moment. So we planned to take it through the waterfalls. Went through I think what they call is the Waterfall Trail. So I think it's Millaa Millaa. I'll put on the screen what the other two are called. Millaa Millaa was freezing cold. The second one, I'll put it on the screen, I forgot what it was. The tracks were just slop and mud. Attempted a little bit, but ended up having to bail out. We just couldn't get down there. And the third one, we actually dropped in. We weren't going to, but we thought, bugger it. We've actually we travelled half around Australia to have a look at some of these places. Doesn't matter how cold it is, we went in. And fortunately, it wasn't too bad once you're in there. And that was bloody beautiful. All right, so today we had a plan to do what I think the locals call the Waterfall Trail, the Waterfall Loop. And the first thing I'll point out is the drive out here and through the hills are amazing, super nice. But as we're coming up, started getting wet. Started to rain a bit, and we're here now at Millaa Millaa Falls, and unfortunately this is what we've come across. See those people down there? They are freezing, they're shivering. It's not necessarily cold out here, but obviously the water's a bit colder than it probably should be without the sun. It's not helping things either, so I'm not sure what we're going to do out here, whether we there you go, nice and shot in the background, whether we maybe find somewhere to sit and have a beer or feed or something. Getting close to lunchtime here now, so it's an hour and a half drive out here from Cairns. So the drive was nice, bloody beautiful, but unfortunately it looks like the rain set in and it's not going to go anywhere for a while, so we'll see what we do. Well, you know what, we're here, we're going to have a bloody look.
I can say I've been in Millaa Falls.
What's the water like this week?
Probably about the same temperature as outside, to be honest. Yeah.
Not so bad?
Yeah. It's, yeah, I wouldn't put the kids in at the moment. I dare say it really would be changing. So it was an absolutely magical place. I didn't feel that cold when I was in it, but now that I'm out, I'm pretty sure my legs are numb.
I have the ticket.
Oh, well done, buddy.
Okay.
Off to the next one.
Alright, still raining here anyway, we're ready, so we're going to keep going this loop. This is the walk into the Zillie Falls. Yeah. Feel good? Alright, we're bailing out. It's just mud and slop. And our feet are just getting covered in mud here. And Kelly's getting a bit muddy, so we're just going to bail out this one. Bit of a shame, but you can't control the weather, can you? So we just pull up to Elinjaa Falls, and this little fella here came up to greet us as we're getting out of the car. Anyway, we'll leave it to it. Oh, slippery when wet. So we made a decision. We come this far, now it's raining, so we're going to go in and have a bloody look anyway. Maybe it doesn't look like it's raining, it's actually pissing down. Anyway, here we go. We're good, buddy? Alright, typical of how the day's going. So we finished up seeing the 3 falls and just stopped in and had lunch at the Malanda hotel, which is a beautiful little place. The food was nice, it's pretty cheap, and yeah, just the history in the town and the feel of it was just nice and old and pretty cool. But since we're in Malanda, but why not have a look at the Malanda Falls? And would you believe, we're in there having lunch, it stopped raining. As soon as we finished lunch and jumped in the car, it started bloody raining again. Anyway, have a look at this. We just stopped in, had some lunch at the Malanda hotel, which I definitely recommend, and we've just stopped at Gullo Dairyland, which is a cheese and chocolate farm. So Anita and the boys are gonna get themselves a little treat now. Let's go and have a look and see how they're going. Does it smell out here, does it, Zach? It does smell a bit like cow poo, but what did we get, Haley?
He asked me
Show
on
us
the
what we
way in what the cows have eaten to get that smell.
Haley, what did we get?
He can't show you, he's covering his nose.
Okay, what chocolates we get, boys?
No!
Alright, so we got those. For
We got squishy cows.
$5.50, squishy cows, $5.50 pop. Yep, what else we got? Got some chocolates, what's that? $10 for 100 grams of chocolates you get to pick, which is about 8 pieces.
Got a mirror.
How much is
That's
that?
mine.
Freckly cow, I think was $4.50.
Yeah, that's mine.
Freckly cow. There
I
you
get
go.
to eat it.
That one's Zach's and these are mine and Hurley's to share.
These
And-
are mine.
Dad didn't get anything.
There's none for Dad. Yeah, I don't know. We might find a
These are
couple
mine.
for Dad here.
I get
There we go.
He didn't say he wanted anything.
Right, just for the record, the chocolate was amazing. I had to fight and eat it for one little freckle, but it was good. Anyway, we just stopped here in Atherton. It's a little creek here, I think it's called Platypus Park, and there's all these cute little ducks, and we're gonna see if we can find a platypus. I actually seen a little turtle swim in the water here before, but we'll give you a quick look. Unfortunately, it was no platypus that we got to see here, but it's a nice animal. It's a good spot, a good spot to bring the kids. There's a playground up the top there as well, in an eating area. So I'm gonna bring some food down, have a lunch or an afternoon snack or whatever. It's pretty nice, and lots of large animals and some ducks and chooks here. I'm not sure why they're here, or even a rooster. Parading around, I actually captured a little gecko launching off the side of the creek and swimming across. So yeah, it's a nice little spot here. Definitely worth bringing the kids down and check it out, because they're loving it here. There's turtles or tortoise. I always get it mixed up which one's which here in as well, but the kids loved it. Mate.
It is bamboo. Colour.
The platypus?
bamboo.
Is that the platypus?
Nope.
As much as we tried, the platypus just aren't to be seen, which Nettie was pretty excited about, and so was Zach, but that's how it goes sometimes. It's been a pretty rough day. Look, we'll finish up the episode here. It didn't go as planned. Clearly it was pouring down with rain most of the day. But you know, you can't do anything about that. It's just how it played out. So if you liked the episode, please give us a like and subscribe to the channel. Other than that, that wraps up our which ended up turning out to be a day trip out the Tablelands. One beautiful place out here. It was really good, really cool. Really nice, and glad we came out here. Just a bit of a bugger, the weather was pretty average, but that's just how it was. Thanks for watching. We'll catch up the road a bit.